There's a difference between a mechanical pencil, where you stick the lead in the back and you advance it, usually by pressing forward, and the lead comes out and it's really thin. And you don't sharpen those, to a lead holder, where this one you can advance it this way, but it's one huge piece of lead that comes in packages like this. Let's see, how do you open it? And you sharpen it by sticking it in one of these tiny little sharpeners and twisting it. There's a tiny sharpener in there. You get it nice and sharp.